It's all a passage based question which came in the CLAT 2021 actual paper. Okay, let's start with our mock Premier League. So, what is the passage talking about here? Since the worldwide inoculation process is going strong, vaccine diplomacy has become a hot topic. In their quest for ensuring vaccine security, a report by New York Times based on the data on vaccine contracts compiled by Duke University shows that the advance purchase contract made by some advanced country for potential vaccine would vaccinate their population many times. The European Union 2 times, the United States and the United Kingdom 4 times, Canada 6 times. So what is author trying to say now? The vaccine diplomacy has started. Okay, every country is purchasing the contract for the vaccine which can vaccinate their population 2 to 3 to 6 times, okay, which is not required because there are other countries as well which may need vaccination. Okay, just because you are a developed country, okay, you cannot take vaccine contract which is more than your population, okay, 3 to 4 times than your population. Okay, you're not then giving vaccines to the needy people. Okay, that's what he is trying to say. The expectation that an early vaccination will bring back normalcy and required push to the economic growth. Okay, this is what all the countries are thinking. If we vaccinate our population early, okay, this will fuel the economic growth. Okay, as we know, because of COVID-19, the economic growth is stunted. Okay, because the businesses are not working. So if you vaccinate people, they may go to office. If they may go to office, there will be a good economic growth for the country. Okay, that's what they are thinking. So if we vaccinate our population early, it will be beneficial for our economic growth. Okay, that's why they are taking so much of contract of vaccines. Okay, Canada 6 times their population, UK 4 times their population, and then so on. Okay, so what is his opinion after that? Push to economic growth fueled many advanced countries to engage in vaccine battles. Okay, so there's a vaccine battle that has been going on. The argument of public good and global cooperation have gone out of window now. Correct, we always talked about global cooperation, okay, giving it to the people who are in need, doing a public good, but now every country is selfish. They are just thinking about themselves. Okay, so global cooperation, that argument has gone out of window. While advanced countries have turned their back on the need of poor countries to access COVID-19 vaccine, India has displayed empathy towards their need. India has taken a position that a significant percentage of the approved doses will be permitted for exports. Now he is praising India, that while all the advanced countries have turned their back, okay, they are just thinking about themselves, they are being selfish, they are thinking about only their economic growth, their people. India is empathetic about the need of the poor country who cannot buy such contracts, because they are still a developing country, they are still poor country. India is helping those countries, like say for example Africa. Okay, India has taken a position that a significant percentage of the approved doses will be permitted for export. So India has said, if we are manufacturing this much will be there in the country, this much part has to be exported. And the export has started first with the neighboring countries, okay, which is your Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Maldives. So all those are the country where India has exported it first. So while its export to the neighboring countries will be under grant mode, initial shipment of vaccines to the least developed countries will be at free of cost. So India is not even charging money for that. The initial shipment will go free of cost to the neighboring country. It is in a grant mode. Okay, so we are helping the other countries. So now he is giving a contrast opinion. While the advanced countries have turned their back, India is actually helping the other countries. India is actually going for global cooperation. Okay, that is what is required in such times. And shipment of vaccines from India have already started reaching different parts of the developing world. Okay, while India is in the first phase of vaccination to cover healthcare workers, as we know, in the first phase we covered healthcare workers, all those who are working for COVID-19 patients. Exports from India are helping other countries also in initializing phase 1 of their vaccination program. Okay, so when India has started with their phase 1, India is also making that sure that other countries have also started with their phase 1. Okay, so it's a gesture which is well appreciated globally. So India is using vaccine for itself, and it is also giving it to the country which are in need. So along with India, the other countries have also started with their phase 1 of vaccination. Okay, again giving a contrast view of what other countries are doing and what India is doing. So how this gesture is well appreciated globally. In a democracy, one can expect the backlash of sending vaccines abroad without vaccinating its population. Correct. Okay, so imagine India is a democracy. Okay, people are dying in India, okay, because they have not received COVID-19 vaccine. So people in India can protest that why are you exporting the vaccine when the vaccine are not even there for the people in India. So there is a good chance that in a democracy one can expect the backlash of sending vaccine abroad without vaccinating its population. So you are not vaccinating the population of India. You are sending the vaccine abroad. So you may see the protest in your country. Okay, that's what he's saying. So India is doing this, but India may face problem because it's a democracy. Okay, people may protest for what the government is doing. Nevertheless, India approach only reinforces the need of having coordinated global effort in bringing COVID-19 under control. Okay, so he's saying whatever that may happen, he's saying that this may happen. Okay, but nevertheless, whatever may happen, India has shown that global coordinated effort is being required to bring COVID-19 under control. Okay, that is what India has projected it to the world. That this is what and this is how you are supposed to act in such times. This response manifests India's unstinted commitment towards global development and has consolidated its name as World Pharmacy. Again, this is the reason why India is given the name as World Pharmacy. Okay, because in such time, India is helping the countries which are in need with the vaccine doses. The attitude of India towards vaccinating the population in the poorer countries have generated discussions in the richer country about the necessity for more proactive measures to roll out vaccines to the developing nations. Okay, so this is an eye opener what India has done. Okay, without being selfish, helping the other countries. So it's an eye opener for the other countries, the advanced countries who are just thinking about themselves, their contracts, okay, their population, their economic growth. So India is giving them an example that you need to take proactive measures and make sure that there is a rollout of vaccines in the developing nations. Okay, so that's what is being said here. So as we can summarize, the author is saying that the advanced country are not looking towards the vaccine supply towards the needy country, okay, which should happen. But all that they are looking for is their population, and they have a contract which can vaccinate their population 4 to 6 times. Why are they doing this? Because this will help them to fuel the economic growth. Okay, the earlier their population is vaccinated, the better is their chance that they can fuel economic growth easily. Okay, because more the people vaccinated, okay, more the people can go to normalcy, they can go do their job, and this can help in economic growth. But then he is giving an example of India. Okay, how India has set an example by helping the neighborhood country, okay, for global cooperation of vaccines. Okay, so that's what is being told here. Now let's see the questions that are being asked from this set. So the first question from the passage that we have just read is this: which of the following best describes the purpose of this passage? Okay, so we know what is the purpose. Let's see which is the right option. To encourage vaccine nationalism and to discourage global cooperation. No, it's to not encourage, it's to discourage the vaccine nationalism and to encourage the global cooperation. Okay, author wants more of the advanced country to help the developing country. So he's encouraging global cooperation, that everyone should be cooperated. Okay, global world should be cooperated. Countries should not be selfish and should not think of nationalism. They should think of global cooperation. So he's encouraging global cooperation and discouraging nationalism. Okay, nationalism means just thinking about your country. Okay, my country comes first, my people comes first, my economy comes first. That's nationalism. Global cooperation means thinking globally. The world comes first. Okay, everyone is equal. So if you have something which is in excess, help the other countries. Okay, so that globally world can do well. Okay, just not your country. So that's what he is doing. So clearly A is not the answer here. To discourage vaccine nationalism and encourage global cooperation. Okay, exactly what I said here, what I wanted here in the option A. So this is your answer, option B. Okay, discourage nationalism, correct, and encourage global cooperation. Okay, as I just explained this. So clearly B is the answer. Okay, let's check the other option so that I can confirm with B. To encourage poor countries and discourage, no, this is not what he wants to do. He is not encouraging the poor countries. He is just saying that the vaccine doses should come to poor countries. Okay, so not the right explanation of what is being exactly said in the passage. Okay, not that. He is just not talking about poor and advanced countries. He is talking about vaccine. Okay, and how the vaccine supply should be there in such time. So it is not encouraging certain set of countries or discouraging some. It is just about global cooperation. So clearly C is not the answer. D. To encourage India to provide vaccines to poor nations, no. Okay, this is not the only purpose. He is just giving an example of India, that India is doing this, so the world should follow from this. Okay, it is not encouraging India that India, you are doing well, now you supply vaccines to more of the poor countries. He is giving an example of India to the other countries by comparing it with what they are doing, okay, and what they should do. So this is not the answer. Okay, so clearly B is the best explanation of what describes the purpose of this passage. Okay, so on this ball I'll hit a 4. Okay, because the options here are very easy. Okay, I can clearly say that B is the answer. In fact, I may call this question to be as a 6 as well. Okay, you can hit a straight 6 on this ball because it's a very easy question. The options here are also extremely easy. Let's take the next question from the passage. The inoculation process as used in the passage means. Okay, where is inoculation used? Here. Okay, so what is the meaning of this word inoculation? Okay, so let's understand. Let's read it. Since the worldwide inoculation process is going strong, vaccine diplomacy has become a hot topic. Okay, so what could inoculation means? Okay, let's substitute what is given in the option. Production and distribution of vaccine doesn't look like. Vaccine diplomacy has become a hot topic because of vaccine worldwide inoculation. Okay, so doesn't look like. First, global struggle for vaccine, no. Artificial induced immunity. Think about this. Okay, let's substitute it here and think of it better. Since worldwide inoculation, artificial induced immunity, that is what you are doing when you are vaccinating a person. You are making his system immune to virus. You are putting that dead virus inside his body. Okay, so that body can develop antibodies. Okay, and that antibodies help you to immune your body. Okay, which means if the virus comes next time, the actual virus, okay, it cannot harm the body because the antibodies that are being required to kill the virus are already there in the body. That is what vaccine has done. Okay, so artificial immunization, correct. You are immunating the body artificially. Okay, heard of this? If you had got the COVID once, okay, the body has already developed the antibodies. That is natural immunization. Okay, naturally your body got immune because you suffered from COVID once and your body had already made those antibodies. But when you vaccinate a person, you are artificially inducing immunity in his or her body. Okay, so world immunization process, okay, is going strong. That's why vaccine diplomacy has become a hot topic. Okay, so clearly looks like that C is an answer. Sorry, D is an answer, which is artificial induced immunity. Okay, pharmaceutical distribution, no. Everything here is talking about production and distribution. Okay, global struggle, clearly all three are not the answer. Okay, as soon as I put this thing in this sentence which I see there, I know what is the meaning of this. Okay, so clearly for me this question is a 4. Okay, you may think of this as defensive question, but not. Okay, this is giving a clear meaning. As soon as you read the passage and you have some idea about what is vaccine, okay, you should clearly answer this question. Okay, so on this ball you should hit a 4. Next question. Advanced purchase contract of vaccines by developed countries are premised on the hope that, okay, so why are this developed countries buying the contracts for vaccines, okay, which is 3 to 6 times their population? Why are they doing this? Because they feel that the expectation that an early vaccination will bring back normalcy and required push for economic growth. Okay, we have seen this. If you vaccinate the population early, you can go back to normalcy, people can go to office, and this can push the economic growth. Okay, so mainly economic growth is the reason why they want their population to be vaccinated early, so that they can return to normalcy. Okay, let's see which option best describes this. So the advanced purchase of contract is happening because vaccination will restore normalcy and thrust to economic recovery. Exactly what we read. Okay, normalcy will come and this will boost the economic growth. Okay, so economy will recover soon. Correct. Looks like A is surely the answer. Let's check the rest of the option as well. Vaccination will bring back powers to the nation. No, nowhere it is talked about power to the nation, so out of scope. Vaccination will promote global well-being and growth. No, this is the global. No, they are talking about nationalism. They are talking about their country and improving their economic growth. Okay, no one is talking here about global well-being. So clearly C is not the answer. Vaccination will protect the health of world population. Again, no one is looking for world. Okay, all that they are looking for is their countries. That's why they are buying this contract, so that their economy could recover soon. If all the people are vaccinated, normalcy could restore and their economy would do well. Okay, so no one is talking about world here. So clearly B, C, D does not look like an answer and A is the answer. So on this ball as well, you should hit a big 4. Okay, because the options here are quite easy and the understanding of passage is also easy in this part. Let's see the next question now. The author cautions that India's approach in vaccine distribution may have negative repercussions among. So if India is helping the neighborhood countries with their vaccine doses, okay, making them enter in the first phase of vaccination, what negative impact it will have on India? Okay, from where we have seen this, the negative impact can be from its population only. Okay, one can expect a backlash of sending vaccines abroad without vaccinating its population. So the people in India, okay, may be against this because they may feel that you are sending vaccination abroad when India itself has such a huge population. What about the people in our country? Okay, so that's what author is saying. The author cautions India's approach in vaccine distribution may have negative repercussions among whom? Among the people in India. Okay, if India is helping the other countries, India does not have problem from anyone else other than the people from India. Okay, according to author, what I told you, what he has said. Okay, so not from the developing countries, not from the poor countries, not from the advanced countries. Okay, India has to be cautious about its own people. India may get a backlash from its own people. Okay, according to author, what has been said in the passage. So clearly the answer here is D, and on this ball also I will hit a 4 because the options here are very easy and the understanding of passage that is being given is again easy. Next and the last question from this passage. So among sustainable development goals, the third goals reads ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. Okay, so we had seen this in GK classes, sustainable development goals. Okay, that is for the world, and among that the third goal of all the countries in world is to ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. Okay, so this has to be world related thing. Okay, you have to make sure, even if you are US, the United Kingdom, Canada, you have to make sure ensure healthy lives and promote well-being of all at all ages. Okay, that's the goal of world. So that's what is part of sustainable development goal. Which of the following sentence from the passage reflects the reversal of this? Okay, so all nationalism related, my country first, okay, my people first, only my population will be vaccinated, contracts which are 4 to 6 times their population are being taken by the countries. All this will go against this, because this is telling that you should do well-being and promote healthy lives for all. Okay, so which of the following sentence is a reversal of this? So let's see. The arguments of public good and global cooperation have gone out of window. Okay, so this is clearly reversal of this, because when you are talking about world, now you are saying that there is nothing called as public good, there is nothing called as global cooperation, everything has gone out of window. So this is reversal of a sustainable development goal, right? Okay, because sustainable development goal first talks about public good, it first talks about global cooperation, it talks about medicines and healthy lives for all. Okay, so if you say what public good, what global cooperation, nothing matters. So this is an argument which is against this, right? So clearly A looks like it is an argument against sustainable development goals. Let's see the next. Advanced countries have turned their back on the need of poor countries to access COVID-19 vaccine. Again an argument against this. Okay, because sustainable development goal says that the advanced country, okay, or someone who can help should help the person who are in need of help, okay, and not turn their back. So it is health and well-being for all, okay, just not for your country. Just because you are advanced country, you are thinking about yourself and you are turning your back to poor countries, okay, which is not a sustainable development goal. Okay, so again this argument B is also reversal of sustainable development goal. Okay, clearly looks like D will be the answer. Let's see C. The advanced purchase contract made by some advanced country for potential vaccine would vaccinate their population many times. Correct. Okay, so again you are going against sustainable development goal, which is talking about all. You are just thinking about your country. Just because you have resources, you are advanced country, you are buying the vaccine contracts which may vaccinate your population many times. Okay, why are such contracts needed when there are still many countries who are in need of their first phase of vaccination? Okay, so you are not thinking of all. Okay, you are not thinking of well-being of all. So again going against the sustainable development goal. Okay, so clearly here D is an answer, all of the above. Okay, A, B and C, all of this are reversal of sustainable development goals. So on this ball also I will hit a 4. Okay, because the options here are very easy. Okay, you can clearly say that D is an answer, because A, B, C are clearly the argument which are against your SDG. Okay, so on this ball also you should hit a 4. So this entire passage is a 4. If you can see, all the questions here are easy to understand passage and easy options to mark as well.